In the heart of Nikai's land, Northeast Institute of Professional Studies shining bright, a beacon of hope, skills it imparts, empowering mind, a nurturing heart.